So, ever felt stuck in conversation because you do not know what to say next? You have words in your head, you can understand English, but sometimes happen whenever we try to speak, we just go blank. Our mind doesn't help us, right? So, in that sense, what should you do? In this video, you will learn super advanced phrases that you can use whenever you are getting stuck, whenever you speak with anybody. So you have to stay with me till then, but because by the end of this video your English will sound completely different. So the first one, whenever you are just it happens most of the time whenever we try to speak, we don't get words, right? So in that sense, you can just say in the meantime. For example, something is being cooked for you, like food is being cooked for you. In that sense, you can just say in the meantime I would just call someone, in the meantime I will do this and that. That's the thing, you are getting time, like gap of time. So in that sense you can use. So when you can use it, you just, whenever you are getting stuck, you do not have words in your head, you are not getting sentences, so you can just say in the meantime, let me think, in the meantime I would just say this. During the conversation you can just say, right? So the second one is by the way. By the way, it's important, I would just say, because it will just make you introduce a new topic whenever you're talking to a person and you don't know what to speak next. So you can just say, by the way, I was thinking, by the way, I was wondering, by the way, can you just tell me this? Like that, you can just take a time to think, right? So in that sense, you can just say, by the way. Then we have just in case. It means you are taking precautions for something. For example, you want to go out, but you just say up in the sky and you just feel the it is about to rain. So what you can just say, I will just take the umbrella just in case it rains, right? So you are just taking precautions here. So you can just say, if I forget, I would just in case if I forget, let me tell you something beforehand. You can just say in that sense, right? So you have to speak anything, right? You do not have to be afraid of making mistakes. You have to make mistakes, not all the time, but you must know what to speak next. So in that sense, you have to use these words. You can get time to speak further, right? So then we have I appreciate it. It's just the another way of you want to say something, you want to thank someone, but in a polite way. So you can just say I appreciate it. So you can just say this word to anyone, right? Then we have it doesn't matter. Means it's not important for you, it doesn't matter for you at all. I would just give you an example here. You are a student and you are going to your college and you just say, sir, I'm sorry, I'm late. So your teacher can just say it doesn't even matter, you have to sit anywhere because you're not that much what do you say, the smartest student in the class. So it doesn't matter, in that sense you can use it, right? Let's talk about hang on. Hang on means you are making someone wait for you. You can just say on the phone, you're talking to a person, you can just say hang on, I would just go somewhere and I would do something else. So you can just say hang on. It's the other way to say wait for me, right? In that sense you can use hang on. And we have never mind. Never mind means it just say it doesn't even matter for me, means it's not important. Again, you can just say never mind, don't worry about that, I'm gonna do this. For example, I would just say you give a book to someone and he's not giving you back. So in that, just say, and after 5 days or 8 days or a month, he's just returning you that, right? So you can just say never mind, I will just take it, but you just took so much time. So in that sense you can just say, yeah, never mind. So if you do not subscribe to this channel or if you do not like this video, I would just say never mind, it doesn't matter because I have the fan base. Okay, and thanks for watching.